So I'm working on my wife's 2017 Audi Q7, and I'm doing the front wheel bearing replacement, and I couldn't find anything talking about talking about the sizes of the bolts and stuff to get this off. So I thought I would do a quick little video on how to get these screws that go into the back here to hold the setup or hold the assembly on. But you got to get, it's a triple square deal. I was able to find this at AutoZone. It was like $8, and it's a number 12. And then all the ones I saw online had a socket that held the axle into the hub, but this one actually uses this kit that I found at Northern Tool. That was a size 19. So just so you're aware, if you ever need to do an assembly on this, do that. And then also with this, I bought a bearing, and I went all over the place trying to find somebody to help me separate the bearing from the hub, and that was not an easy task. So if it ever comes down to you doing this yourself, just buy the assembly. It's cheaper and easier, less of a headache. Just buy the assembly. So if you have any questions about it, let me know.